Okay, well, I'm Carlos Cepeda. I'm going to explain you how to use Asana. Asana is a app that helps you to manage your tasks. It's a dashboard that helps, well, as I say, the team members to create or to manage the to do and the important things that you must to achieve to create a task and to have it all in order. As you can see, it's like a welcome for the person that is using it. It's kind of simple. You have the profile and some advices that give you the app to obtain an easier way to use it. Well, the first thing that we must do is go here to the taskbar, and you can see we have the beginning, that is the page we already are, and well, we have my tasks, the inbox, and some other files that are going to help us to achieve our goal or to create our task in an easier way. As you can see here, we have the objectives, the favorites, and that stuff that will give you some advantage to access to the tasks that we already made. Um, as I say, we have my tasks. As you can see here, my tasks is a page that make easy review of what the tasks that you have. It's as easier as I say. The recent assigned is the ones that are assigned to you in a recent days. Like for example, yesterday someone give you a task to me and it's going to appear here. The next part we have the tasks that must to do from today. The ones that has less than 24 hours is going to appear here, and when I have the opportunity to do it, maybe in 5 or 6 days, we have in here and to do next week. Yeah. Well, for example, as I say, my tasks are divided in four blank spaces, but also it could be ordered by, for example, a list. That is going to be as simple as that. You just click here to open and see what is there in the file. Well, it can be a calendar that is going to be like as simple as that. It give you the day in which you are, and you are going to research about the tasks that you must do. Well, to begin a task, you must to click here and create, for example, a new homework. It's going to be called project. So then we have the person that is going to be in charge. For example, here I'm going to be in charge of my own task and I'm going to create it. So we have the project assigned residential. So we open it and we can see the option that it gives to me. For example, the responsible person is going to be well, I can allow some persons to be in charge of this project, or give it to me just like a team member. So for example, we have to do date, and we have for example, as I say, if for example I made it to the 10th of December, that is going to be tomorrow. I'm sorry, it is going to be here from tomorrow. So the project that is going to be the task that I already made is going to be from tomorrow. Then we added here in projects, we just made it in a file. As I say, is a little advantage. So we made it in project. You just click it project, as I say, and we have project. See? Well, then we click here in project and you can see the things that we made. We made responsible this person of the task that is going to be the one that is going to achieve or to create the task. Then we have the others parts that is going to be the today and the description. For example, here we could add some classmate, and for example I can send it using a link, or maybe sending a message to these persons. So it's quite of simple. As I say, is a easier way to manage your tasks, to have it all in a simple place. And well, that's it.